guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change a flat tire. In this case, my bike has one. It's the front one. If you can come closer, you're going to see how can I lead the tire from the bike. I'm going to open this release, quick release, to take off the tire from the bike so I can start making the process of changing the flat too. Okay, so perfect, we already removed the tire from the bicycle, so we are able to start the process of change the spare tube and fix this problem. I think that is very important, this knowledge, and it's basic for people who like riding bikes, because even if you're in the streets, even if you're in the road, you can fix it by your own. You can save money too. You can make it at home. So now we're gonna start. You need to look for the bulb and look if it has like a screw ring. You're gonna start removing it so the spare tube can come out from the tire. We need some tools, and I'm gonna show you which kind of tools we need so we can start the process. For making the change, we need 4 tools. We need an air pump, we need tire levers, but in case that we don't have ones, we can use 2 screwdrivers. We need the spare tube, and we need an adapter for the bulb. In case that we have a French bulb, we need this adapter so the air pump can fit in it. Okay? Okay, next. So we need to start changing the spare tube. So we are gonna put this side of the tire out. We need the tools that I already said. They are these screwdrivers in case that you don't have the tire levers. So you're gonna put this screwdriver here into the tire and put part of this side out, and with the other you're gonna make the same. Sorry. Okay, so for example, there it is. And I'm gonna do this, putting more part of the tire out. You can help with your hands a little bit. Yes. And when you have more part of this side out, you're gonna start making like the old side of this tire coming out. Okay. And then you already have this size out, and you're gonna look for the bulb again, because you're gonna put the bulb out and bring all the spare tube out so you can change for the new one. Okay. So now we have the new one, and we're gonna start changing it. So first that we need to do is take the bulb and look for the hole we have the new spare tube. We're gonna start putting it in the place that was the other ones. First we need to look for the hole where is the bulb placed. There it is. You're gonna put it in. And carefully, you're gonna start putting in the rest of the spare tube. Okay, so when you're already finished, you're gonna start pushing with your fingers the tire into the ring. So you can place the tire how it was. And then when you get closer to finish that, you're gonna put back the tire so it can completely get close or get in. Okay, if you don't can with your fingers, you can use again the screwdriver so you can fit. Okay, so then we need to put back the security ring into the bolt. So we put it back. And for my case, I have a French bulb, and I need to use this bulb adapter so I can use my air pump to fill it with air. So I'm gonna use it. For example, in this case, this bulb has a security system for the air. When it's open, it can go out or it can come in the air. But when it closed, they limit the access of the air, so it could be more safe. And I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna put the bulb adapter so I can start using my air pump and fill it with air. Okay, so there it is. I need to put my air pump to start. You need to check the level of air that tire has, so you can check when it's already done with air, and you can put the tire again into the bike. Okay. There it is. So now you need to close the adapter is here, so if the air doesn't come out again, it's ready to put this again in the bicycle. Perfect. So now you need to look where the brake disc is placed, so you can fit. It could fit with the system of brakes that has the bike. For example, with a lot of careful, you're gonna put it in, and you're gonna start closing the quick release lever and put it in the right way. So now you're able to close it, so it could be safe to ride your bike again. So there it is. You already fixed that problem. So I hope this video helped you a lot about how to change a flat tire. So I see you the next time. My name is Harrison, and it's nice to make this for you. Thank you.